Kill if we have a matic for wave to looking at the pocket, we have a license plate of wire ramp on our friend for bussing.
Big up PageAble TV. Big up PageAble TV.
Somebody ask him, say, how come there are 60 other, they don't see no gray hair in your beard?
Rockstone, oh, you're so smart, Rasta. All me, myself. I say nothing. I think them you name are how you treat yourself, man, and how you a problem, master. And me are 64 and the whole of me head group, them, don't know the man, them also not the man. Eh? The man, they hold to rascal that me say them dread what happened to you, man. But hear what happened now. When Missy man I grew up, you know, say, me hold my head up in the atmosphere and ask the atmosphere, say, what make people have to grow up? And now nobody me ask, me ask the atmosphere, say, what make man have to grow up? And him say, he start talk to me. The atmosphere tell me, say, look, we come in like the earth. Now, if you plant your vineyard, that is a good weed. And if you don't kill the wild weed from among the good weed, the wild weed will multiply up and crowd up the good weed and stifle them and kill them out and them take over. Right? And that the atmosphere said to me. And me say, what? He says, somebody hear them. If you don't take care of your ear, said like how you eat. The ear need food. You cannot just leave him so him will get weak, red, thirsty, dry, and wizard and won't advance, right? Good. Now, ear have name, and you had to know to treat your ear for it to advance.
So all you treat
stay black. Good. The ear them you have normal. You have fluffy. You have extra body. You have silky. If you want to know about here, you have to go a hairdress parlor. These girls will study here over the years and know the name of here and know how to treat here for it. If you want a heavy head of hair, you get it. If you want a light head of hair, you get it. If you want it get thin, you can get it. Because they know how to treat. Now, the secret of here, when you are ready to treat your hair, you had to start from one brand or something and check out all 4, 5, 6 brands, different brands. And you give the hair a notice. And any one of the brand you use, and the ear look and feel like the way how you would like it look and feel. Don't change from that one now. Just stick to that one. Stick to that one. Because if you change, the hair going to change too. Right? So that's why they name the shampoo them too. Call the name of here, me call them right on the shampoo.
So you use shampoo?
Strictly VO5. Strictly because you cannot use cheap shampoo. The cheap shampoo don't have enough food for the ear. You have to deal with
a VO5 you use?
Yes, sir. Normal. If it's not normal, it's extra body. And if me don't get these 2 brands, I don't use none, right?
Okay.
So my ear now, I have a extra body here, right? Normal, right? Yeah. So what happened now? Now, treating here is very ticklish. Because when you wash your hair with it, you must leave it to the breeze and the sun to dry. When you just wash your hair, you have to have a big clean rag. What you take and dry it yourself that the mice may stay in it, because if you make the breeze and the sun dry it will burn out by the mice and make it get coarse and get dry and thirsty, right? So when you wash your hair with that shampoo and you take a clean rag, big clean rag and dry it yourself, then you heil it. Because the heil is the food for the ear. The ear need food. And you had to search for the type heil where agree with it too. Because the heil me use is Belrose ear black and castor heil mixed together. Therefore,
Belrose ear
yes,
black and castor oil.
mixed together, yes. So if you read the Belrose ear black, now Pandy Batley say that I'll keep black hair black. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Good. And when mix with the castor oil give the hair strength, make the hair fat and fluffy and hard for birth. Because why you see the shoemaker wax the thread when him sewing the shoes is for the thread get slippery, silky, and strong. That it hard for birth. So it's same way when you oil the ear gets slippery, silky, and very strong, hard for birth. You see? So when you dry it with the big rag and then oil it, you don't leave it to the sun and the breeze either. You cover it now. Keep him under cover, right? And brother, you have a header here that when you're about quality, right? And people will grudge you because they would like it and they would know where you are going to if you keep it that way. And it's a thing where you can lend somebody then. And you lend him. And in this space all a week or two, when you go, you start change on him because I don't know what it takes to keep it that way. Right? Yeah. For you to have what we call a excellent header here, right? So now the next thing, when you see one started to lose the strength because some of them get weak out and lose in strength and catch fungus. So when you see it turn white, a fungus it catch. And anyhow you not notice your face. Your face I always start from first and then it spread so fast that it go right up in the head. So when it start on your face, you must always notice your hair because every Sunday me wash my hair and me highly man look after them, right? And when you see one turn white, remove it. Get a tweezer and remove him. If you don't remove him, right, you see just to him catch the fungus now and keep it amongst the black one them. In no time, he accumulate up the black one them.
True that.
You understand? Yeah. Because him catch fungus, you know. He weak out and get, because some of them lost their strength and weak out, you know. Right? That means him not get no blood. No life, no in him, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Like how you plant all gungo when you look at some hands, bring up some sinting panny and some little fungus and the gungo tree just wizard and dry up to rascal, right? Yeah. Well, we like the plant and like the herb. So enough tactics in a herb where a lot of people don't understand. And the first 2 and 3 when me did share come, me get tweezers and remove them. And no more no come. Every time I just them me have to move. Every time when me wash and I heil up, I just them I grow up back. But no more, no multiply up. You understand?